Have you ever found yourself staring at your Ally Bank account, desperately needing to send a wire transfer but clueless about the address? Well, you're not alone. In today's digital age, it's easy to forget that sometimes old-fashioned things like physical addresses still matter. So, let's dive in and find out exactly where to send your Ally Bank wire transfer. Understanding wire transfers. Before we get to the address, let's quickly recap what a wire transfer is. It's essentially a fast and secure way to electronically transfer funds from one bank account to another, often across different countries. Unlike a regular check or ACH transfer, wire transfers are typically processed within a few hours or days. Why do you need a physical address? You might be wondering why you can't just send the wire transfer electronically. Well, the answer lies in the security measures put in place by banks. Providing a physical address helps to verify the authenticity of the transaction and reduce the risk of fraud. Finding the Ally Bank wire transfer address. Now, let's get to the main event. Where exactly do you send your Ally Bank wire transfer? 1. Ally Bank website. The most straightforward way is to visit the Ally Bank website. Look for a section related to wire transfers or international payments. There should be a specific section providing the necessary address information. 2. Ally Bank mobile app. If you're more comfortable using your smartphone, the Ally Bank mobile app is another option. Navigate to the section dealing with wire transfers or international payments. The address should be readily available within the app. 3. Contacting Ally Bank customer service. If you're still unsure, don't hesitate to reach out to Ally Bank customer service. They can provide you with the exact address for wire transfers. Additional tips. Double-check the address. Before sending your wire transfer, always double-check the address to ensure accuracy. A small mistake could result in delays or even lost funds. Include necessary information. In addition to the address, you'll likely need to provide other details such as the beneficiary's name, account number, and bank name. Consider fees. Be aware that wire transfers often involve fees. These fees can vary depending on the amount being transferred and the destination country. Real-world example. Let's say you want to send a wire transfer to your friend in Europe. You would go to the Ally Bank website or app, find the wire transfer section, enter your friend's information, and then use the provided address to send the funds. Conclusion. While the digital world continues to evolve, there are still instances where traditional methods like physical addresses are necessary. When it comes to wire transfers, having the correct address is crucial to ensure a smooth and secure transaction. So, there you have it. The next time you need to send a wire transfer through Ally Bank, you'll be well equipped to find the necessary address. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.